Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of TV and Bass. But today, first time ever fishing on a big lake like this, and we are. I'm fishing with my buddy Jake. I'm pre-fishing for their, fishing with them while they're pre-fishing for their tournament. My brother, his man's got a YouTube channel right here. What's your name? Surface Super Outdoors. Yeah, he's already getting hate, and he has like 11 subscribers. So make sure to go subscribe to him. And then my brother Fox Done Outdoors. Their channels will be linked in the description, and then so we're gonna get in the water and then hopefully go catch some fish. It's 3. Okay, well you stood straight off. This is the boat. Someone help me hold This is the boat. Hey, you see my net rig? Oh my. That's all we need to know, then we can be gone. Yeah. So why don't we just run back here?
There's trees right in there.
Oh my gosh. Fishing in North Georgia and just caught a pike.
Think that what it is?
Yeah, it's a pike. It's either a pickerel or a pike, but I think it's a pike.
Good picture.
Yeah, I know. Oh my gosh. I never thought I would catch one of these.
Hurry for it, get the motor out. Give him so many fish. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, you want to hit my pliers? They're out there somewhere. What in the world? Like, how? What? Like, why? Okay, guys, so we are in... Oh, yeah! Yeah. So guys, we were just in we're in North Georgia. You could say we're in North Georgia, right? We're in North Georgia and got a pike, and supposedly those are like only in like Kentucky and up. So we're like a good 600 miles. What? He said, wait, what do you mean?
East Georgia. Yeah, we're fishing.
East Georgia. Whatever, Jake. Whatever, Jake. Listen, I'm just gonna restart and then I'll just film with my big camera. It'll be okay. What in the world? How did I catch a pike? What'd you say? Okay guys, so I kept saying on my GoPro that it was a pike. It's not a pike, it's a pickerel. Don't want to sound like an idiot out here. But, so it's not that uncommon. There's still some down here, but they're more up north. But people have caught them down here. A couple of my friends have. But yeah, so we're going to get wrap time, so we're going to get back to the boat ramp. You might not see the fellas, so watching.